In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set importance for an email in Outlook, Office 365. Let's get started with the process. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Outlook page. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign in, so go ahead and click that sign in button. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Carefully type your email address and password into the respective fields. After you've entered your credentials, click on the Next button to proceed. Now, once you're signed in, you'll land on the Outlook dashboard. This is your main interface where you can manage all your email activities. From here, direct your attention to the left corner of the screen where you'll find your inbox. Click on it to open your list of emails. Browsing through the emails, you'll want to identify the one you consider important. When you find this email, you need to brand it as important to ensure it gets your attention whenever you open your mailbox. To do this, hover your mouse over the mail you want to mark. When you do this, you'll notice some icons appearing. Among these, look for the small flag icon. Clicking on this icon will mark your email as important. This flagging system is a handy way to prioritize specific emails, making it easier for you to manage your inbox effectively. There's also an option to select multiple emails at once if you have several you'd like to flag. To do this, use the checkbox feature located next to each email. By ticking these checkboxes, you can select multiple emails simultaneously. Once you have selected all the important ones, look at the top ribbon of your dashboard. Here, you'll find another flag or unflag button which allows you to mark multiple emails as important with a single click. This feature is particularly useful if you're sifting through a large volume of emails and need to organize them efficiently. Remember, organizing your emails with flags not only prioritizes what's important, but also improves how you manage time, as it helps you focus on emails that require immediate attention. Whether you're dealing with an overflowing inbox or simply want to streamline your email correspondence, using these tools in Outlook's interface can significantly enhance your productivity. So that's it for today's tutorial. We've walked through every step to ensure that your important emails are easily accessible and efficiently managed in Office 365. Thank you for watching, and be sure to tune in for more helpful tips on optimizing your digital workspace. Have a great day, and happy emailing.